pilots, on your clocks. We're live on the tone in less than 5. Up right there, stop it right there. The whole shot's going to go to Glacier. NJ at $0, $5 carbon. This could be a precursor to what our final is, our final 4. All 4 pilots to the chance to be in our final 4. Top 2 in this advancing to our final 4. We're watching Exer on the gas, going fast, leading the charge right now. Then Glacier, $5 carbon. Side by side in a battle for second at 0. Back of the pack, gonna try and catch up. Exer working on lap number 2. There's Glacio on to lap number 2. Here comes that $5 carbon now on to lap number 2 as well. 1.3 seconds back in the cancer position. Now at 0. He is about 8.5 seconds back. And we can be in top 2 and punching his ticket into our final 4. White flag flies for Zur. On to lap number 3, we take him. Glacio and $5 carbon, the ones we're watching next. Will be side by side here. Now it's gapped by a bit, about 1 gate. $5.
Oh, I'm laughing someone.
They still have another lap to go though. Now Glacio just had a $5 carbon. $5 carbon playing some catch up. Was about 1.3 seconds back. Now it's almost 5 seconds back. Zur is in your final 4 though. 3 laps in 75 seconds. Let's go green pilots. It's a one and done race for podium position, prizes and points. Contenders, on your quads. We are live on the tone in less than 5.
Oh!
Let's go, Tone. We're off to the races and issues for Zur. Coming in out of that winner's bracket, your highest speed though and qualification points. Let's not forget Ascend coming out of that redemption bracket. He was a top qualifier to this group, and he is your early leader here on the opening lap. But this one is not going to be an easy one to hit that podium. More issues for Zur. We know one thing, he's fourth. They're set now on to lap number 2. Nimbus, 8/10 of a second back in the number 3 spot behind our leader. And then we get to catch up here with Glacio.
I was just trying to send it.